welcome back to Time Whatever Machine, whatever you want to call it. And we're waiting for my brother to top of this slide. Austin, don't climb up, you take too long. That was amazing. Isn't that neat? Whenever you're ready, Austin. This is a song to be feeling that. Okay, there's one. Wait till the lights come back on. This is Slush. Okay, go. Wait, not yet. No, you gotta come down. Oh my god. No, let's go down the other one. Oh my god. Here. And then we'll switch positions, okay? Okay. This is the second time. Animals first! Okay, ready? It's 7 or 5 or whatever on it. That's the end.